The CEXV51 compatible toner test was performed from 14 October 2022 to 25 October 2022. The purpose of the test is to check the quality and performance of compatible toners. The sample is 60,000 copies. We will check if compatible toner shortens the lifetime of consumables. After the test we will check drum units, fuser unit, and the condition of the transfer belt. A Canon Image Runner C5535i color copier, with a starting count of 790,000 copies, was used for the toner test. The service performed the maintenance and technical inspection before starting the test. Despite significant wear, and exceeding the standard in a few cases, none of the consumables were replaced before the start of the test. The temperature is 23 degrees Celsius, and the average humidity is 44%. The copier is equipped with a set of genuine CANON toners. We start the test by making 400 copies from specially prepared test sheets with 5% toner coverage. After 400 copies of the original toners, test prints and demo prints will be made. Demo pages which will be used to compare 60,000 copies each. Original toners are removed from the copier, and in their place we install test toners. The test toners are delivered in safe, correctly labeled cardboard boxes. Before installing the toner, it is imperative to shake it several times. Compatible toners are equipped with dedicated chips. The containers fit perfectly in the designated places, and there were no problems with their installation. "556 grams weighs a new empty waste toner bottle. The bottle will be weighed again at the end of the test. After 60,000 copies, the counter shows 850,196 pages. The starting count was 790,000 pages. After 60,000 copies, the compatible toner has still not run out, and the Canon copier does not ask you to replace toners. The toner is well fused, and there is no background on the paper. The saturation intensity and the contrast on the control prints are perfect. The colors are applied evenly, and there is no image repetition. The copier correctly prints the full scale of the color saturation. A typical copier with a very high copy count was used for this toner test. The compatible toner test was performed on ordinary office paper weighing 80 grams. Final measurements: temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and humidity is around 50%. The waste toner container weighs 1,276 grams, which is only 720 grams of used toner. Check the effect of compatible toners on the service life of drums of all colors. The black drum unit was used up to the end during the test. The drum cleaning blade, photosensitive drum, and charge rollers were replaced. Compatible products are installed. When analyzing the possible impact of compatible toners on the drum life, one should take a particular look at the charging and cleaning rollers. The cleaning roller is yellow, and you should pay attention to the clean surface of the cleaning roller. In the drum unit magenta, the charge rollers and the photosensitive drum surface are clean. The units were not cleaned after being removed from the copier. In particular, it is important that the drum modules are not dusty with toner. Tested compatible toners have a neutral effect on the lifetime of the drum units. The back and front parts of the drum units are clean. Toners do not dust. These toners are safe for copiers. Zero dustiness on the housing of developer units is another confirmation of the high quality of toners. The magnetic brushes fit correctly, and there are no voids on the magnetic rollers. There were no problems with the toner dispensing during the test. Typically, black is the most used color, but no issues were found in this section as well. The inside of the Canon Image Runner Advanced C5535i copier is clean. The device looks perfect. After dismantling the fusor unit, it was found that the surface of the lower roller and the surface of the heating foil were clean. Other low-quality compatible toners cause the toner to stick to the paper guide. The toner collected here can damage the heating film. After a toner test with Biuromax, the guide is clean underneath. Your fusing unit is safe. The transfer unit is clean, and the housings are not dirty with toner. The surface of the transfer belt has no any defects. The test confirmed the high quality and efficiency of CEXV51 compatible toners for Canon photocopiers. The use of these compatible toners does not affect the life of the consumables. Drum units, developing units, transfer and others are safe. The tested toners do not shorten the service intervals.